Tonian, you're just young and naive. Let me tell you something. Whispers like you too, but him just can't show it.
I don't believe that. The way him talk to me sometimes just feel harsh.
Poor you. You don't even know how to read between the lines.
I don't have no time for read between the lines, Bubbles. I just like when people talk their mind.
Him can't do that. The profession we're in don't allow it. You realize what we're involved in, Atonian? Is a life and death situation.
You know, say, that Whisper said to me yesterday.
And the life what we choose, Tony, and we have to be very careful of the people them we link up with and who we bring in our circle.
I understand that in a Bubbles, but him never after talk to me so.
What really happened with you and him?
Well, I'll tell you. We did outside a dance and we hear somebody say Tony, and I'm walk out the gate, I'm going to talk to the person. It's like when I did there talk to the person, it's like Whisper did there and watch me. I tell the person say, never say tell. Him ask me if I have some stay. I'm tell him say, but they are for the weekend and me go on my real house Monday. Then Whisper come to me and say to me say, why am I bring man come a Bubbles house? Me I feel like tell him say,
Whoa, man? Which man?
Kareem.
Kareem come here to you?
No, would I never do that, Bubbles. I know better than that, you know.
You sure?
I'm positive, Bubbles. I eat me and try to tell Whisper. And you make it look like say a spite me do it for.
Tony, what you have to understand about Whispers is that him very protective of me. Him tone sometimes might sound away, but him just want to reinforce the man thing off limits here, so. Who that?
Me, Angie, Aaron.
What you do here?
Angie, just let me know, man. It's urgent.
Bubbles, now I'm on this.
Tony, Aaron, what you do here?
Angie, them just shoot after me.
What?
Bubbles, you know you say them just shoot.
Me ear!